So today, 2023 Hyundai Tucson. All keys lost, because it's an insurance job. The insurance, you have to do an ignition change and the door lock change. Can't just make keys. Insurance policies, I guess. So had to pick to get in, and it was a, what was it again? HY22 Nishi and 2 lifters. So that was alright. So show you how to remove the ignition in this. Take off the bottom stereo cover. It's just one screw, and it's just a posi drive screw. And then you have to have one posi drive screw here and one on the other side. So you turn the steering wheel and then you get to it. And this is the new ignition. So how we remove it, this is the blade I cut, is put the blade in, and then under here you see there's a little hole just there. If you push the pin in there, and as you turn it to this position, it unlocks it, and there you go. That is your old ignition out. Then you unclip that. That's the old one. And what you do is you slide in the new one. Goes in there. Clipped in. Bada boom, bada bing. It's secure. And then you just connect up the connectors into there. Bosh. And that's that job done. So now I've got the new key. Turns the ignition on. We also need to change the door locks on this as well. Which is, these are quite handy, they're just posi drives. So not many cars use posi drives anymore. It's usually torque bits. But it does, this is quite a good one. It's got a posi drive, but then what looks like a 10mm nut around it. So, because posi drives are notorious for rounding. Let's see if it's a 10mm. Beautiful. So, just undo that one. Now this feels like it's wobbling around a bit, so oh no, it should stay in place when you pull out. Yeah, well, cool. There's the old lock. And we slot in. We slot in a nice fresh new one. So just hold that in there. And just tighten up. Cool. Done. And then don't forget, put your little cap on. Open the door handle. It goes on that way. It's on. So that's that done. So now what you need